Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and this week your assignment is to apply to a company. So I have Stop and Shop, and I also have Old Navy. So you can select your own company to apply to, and then you're just going to show me a screenshot or an email confirmation that you applied to the job. So I would like you to upload your completed cover letter, your resume, and then go ahead and fill out the application. So I'm going to go to Stop and Shop. Now, the first thing you want to do is, let's say you want to work for McDonald's. I want you to go directly to the company's website. So McDonald's.com, Stop and Shop, if it's ShopRite.com, The Gap, Target, Petco, Planet Fitness. So you're going to go directly to the website, and then you're going to scroll down, and typically on the homepage of every website, on the bottom, you're going to see a section, and it might be worded slightly different. This one says careers. You might see employment opportunities. So you're going to click on careers. I'm going to show you. This was The Gap. You're going to take a look. So The Gap, they also own, there's like a group of them. So Banana Republic, Old Navy. So you have like a bunch of companies within. This is Old Navy's. And then you would click on apply. Stop and Shop over here. I'm going to go down, click on careers. And then on every website, it's going to show you the open positions. It's going to have a ton of information. You can read through the benefits of working for that company, different career paths. It might have internships. So if you are, graduating your senior, you're going to look into possibly colleges. My advice to you, look for those summer internships. A lot of great companies offer summer internships while you are a student, an undergraduate, or even a graduate student. So take a look, high school students as well. So view open positions. You can search this by your zip code. And then some of these applications, like I said, it is, it's going to take some time. Sometimes you might be tested. It might have like a personality or situation type exam. It might take you 30 minutes. Some applications might take you close to an hour. Others, maybe like 10 minutes. All you have to do is just like upload your resume, and that's it. So take the time. I know with our Wi-Fi, some websites, or once you're on a website, it kind of thinks you're shopping. It might boot you off the website. So that's why this is going to be, you can try to start it in class, but most likely you're probably going to do this at home. So let's see with Stop and Shop. If I can get through this, Wi-Fi's kind of slow. I'll record myself applying to Stop and Shop at home, and then I'll upload my resume just so I show you like the step by step. Yeah, I had a feeling this was going to work. Okay, so with our proxy and firewall, you can browse the website a little bit. You can read about the employee benefits, but this is going to be an assignment you're going to do at home. All right, so you have your resume. Some advice for you. What I would do is when you're typing, remember your punctuation. I taught you how to upload a file. It's the same thing. If you need to attach something with the paper clip, you're attaching, you make sure you have your resume saved on your computer and available to upload. Spelling counts. So make sure everything is perfectly spelled. Take your time and then review your work before submitting it. So good luck, and I hope to hear back. If you do take the job, accept it. And actually, if you do go for the interview, practice. These are all extra credit. You don't have to. This is all extra credit, 100 assignments. Applying is an assignment in class. So I do want you to apply. So that is a given assignment. Whether you are taking that extra step and practicing going for the job interview or even taking the job, that is not required, but you will get a grade, you'll receive extra credit grade for that. All right. So good luck. Have fun. And I'll see you in class. Thanks. Bye.